Hi, I'm Tim from Team ET, and this semester we've been looking at solving the issue of mistrust within charities. In our research, we found that this was a large reason why donations in charities have been steadily decreasing. The figure on the bottom right shows that there's been a $1.3 billion decrease in donations from 2013 to 2017. We then went and asked donators what can be done to help increase your trust in charities and received answers such as transparency, yearly profit and loss statements, knowing what they do with money, and a general clarity on where the money is going, not being vague or cryptic. So, armed with this knowledge, we've decided to implement a blockchain-based solution. Blockchain's unique advantage of being decentralized and having all transactions trackable make it a viable option for increasing trust in charities. Blockchain allows donors to see exactly where their donations are going and what the money is being spent on. Therefore, the proposed solution is to create a transparent financial system for potential donors to look into a charity and see exactly where each dollar is being spent. So, how should it work? Well, it is a financial system which allows the public to see how charities use their money. A simplified model of the system is displayed on the left and shows the intentions of the system, a sort of T into the flow of donations and expenditures from the charities. The system flowchart models the interaction between all elements of the system, which consist of online donations received from donors, which go through to the online payment portal, which will convert dollars into cryptocurrency and be integrated into the charity's website, similar to a PayPal payment portal for cryptocurrency. Cash donations received will have to be processed through an intermediary bank account. The general public access it through a public financials website, which will use the transparency of a decentralized currency to display the in and out flows of the charity's financials. It will utilize existing cryptocurrency wallet technology to keep track of the currency. We've spoken to multiple charities about possible implementation. The feedback that we've received about the project is that many charities already use third-party payment systems to process transactions for users. So this is a viable thing to do. These third-party systems must be reliable and stable, otherwise the charities will lose trust. Existing third-party systems are not very user-friendly, as they have to cater for a lot of different organisations, and there is a lot of room for improvements with usability. There also needs to be a link from the charity's financial tracking page to the charity's website. Transparency is an important issue to charities, and currently charities aim to inform donators via newsletters or reports. Giving users easy access to these is thus important, considering charities currently rely on advertising platforms such as Facebook to communicate with their donation base. As 65% of Australian charities are small or operate with a revenue under $250,000, money can be tight, and thus the system should also seek to reduce operating costs. A current system, such as Everyday Hero, can take over 10% of donation costs to operate. In regards to prototypes, charities just want the design to be clear and simple to use and understand, for both the charity itself in setting it up and for the user. The following prototypes have received positive feedback from charities for their simplicity. Therefore, any implementation should remain simple and steer away from unneeded complexity. The system still has some potential problems. As noted earlier, charities want their third-party system to be reliable and stable, and many blockchain cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have been notoriously unstable. Therefore, for this proposal, the utilization of a stable coin is paramount. To track where money is going with blockchain, employees and vendors who transact with charities are required to have a crypto wallet set up. However, charities often need to make one-off payments, and sometimes these payments contain private information about their employees or specific issues. Therefore, to solve this, charities will have the option to not give out the information, but instead generalize it without compromising on privacy. That's our pitch. Thank you for listening, and we hope you've enjoyed it.